Hey, what's going on? In today's video, I want to talk about how to create e-covers that sell. Now, if you're selling something online, product or service or program or course or whatever you're trying to sell online, you want to have some kind of representation of that. I see a lot of new people who try to come online and start selling something, which is a great idea. You should be trying to sell something online because that's the only way to do it nowadays, to get in front of massive audience online. It's hard to do that out in the street, walking door to door. The internet is such a beautiful thing. So you're right in that you want to sell something online. The problem is a lot of people do not create some representation that people can see online, because viewing something online, there's nothing tangible. Even if you're selling a tangible product, you can't feel it online. I can't feel it through the computer screen, right? So you want to make something that represents that product. Okay, usually if you're selling an ebook or a course or something like that, you want to make like something that represents that, so that when they see it, your potential customer sees it, they get excited about it. Like, ooh, I get that. Even though they don't get it, they get a membership login or a PDF sent to them, but just the thought of seeing it and it's like, it makes it more real. Okay, it definitely, your conversions will be a lot higher if you have a good e-cover versus not having one at all, or e-bundle package, whatever you want to call it. You definitely need it. Now, here's the thing. I'm not a designer. I don't know how to do this, right? I cannot do this. I'm not good at this. But what you can do is you go to Fiverr.com, okay? This is the best place to find it, okay? Let's hop in the computer. I'll show you exactly what I do. So this is actually my YouTube channel right here, and you can see I've got a professionally made banner right here. I know we're not talking about banners right here, but I just want to show this since I'm on this page, because I got this made, even the logo made up on Fiverr. This logo right here is it's called the Full Funnel Club, right? Look, this dude made 2 F's back to back and it looks like a funnel. I paid the guy $7. How amazing is this? It was perfect. I was blown away. This banner right here with my picture and all this in like a 3-dimensional room, this one cost me like $17, like, because they charge you like $2 extra for the company or whatever. So it was $5 and $15, but when it came out to, it was $7 and $17 or something like that. But anyway, I'm telling you, you can get crazy good stuff on Fiverr. So let's go over there, and I'm going to just go through and show you how I would find someone to make a good e-cover, okay? So you're going to go to Fiverr, and you're just going to search, right? You can search e-cover or e-bundle. Let's start with e-cover and see what comes up. So there we go. Look, so you got, look at all these different people selling stuff. So now what I would do is, and what I do is look at people with 5 stars with a lot of reviews. And especially if you can find one, here's 3 things you're looking for: 5 stars, a lot of reviews, and a low price point. Because you'll see some that are getting $50, $100. You don't want that. Stay low, okay? Look for $5, look for $10. Look for someone 5 stars and a bunch of reviews. So here's where their stars are, and this is 539 reviews, and he's at $10. So this might not be a bad one to check out, okay? But I think we could find better, okay? 4.9, 4.9. Okay, here's 5 stars. He's only got 21 reviews though, but he's got 5 stars. That's pretty good. $5, okay? So he might be starting out because he's only got 21, but he's got good reviews. So I'm going to open this one in a different link and save it. This guy's got 5 stars, 447 reviews, right? That's tough to do, especially when it comes to design, because people have very critical opinions about design. So I think in design, it's very hard to get a 5-star review, especially with 447 people. So you know that this guy is good at customer service. Now I look at this and I'm like, those don't actually look that good. But you know what? I want to open this up. I'm just going to open this on this page because I think this is our winner. We open this up and we look. He just may not be a good marketer. He's probably a good communicator. That's why he's got 5 stars. And I'm pretty sure he's good at designing because he's got 5 stars. But he's probably just not good at marketing. So like, this is probably not his best stuff. Let's check though. We'll go through his work. It shows all his work here. Okay, that's better. That's looking better. That looks real. That looks really real. Okay, now we're talking. Like, these look good to me. That's amazing right there. So he does good work. Look at that. That's awesome. Yeah. All right. So see, this guy's legit. He just put a bad thumbnail up, right? So he's got this for $5. You get flat 2D or 3D cover design ebook. or any 3D single product. Okay, you get it commercial use, so you can use it to sell your product. Good. So let's see what else he's offering. So for a standard, you get a bundle design. Consists of 3D paperback, box, DVDs, and CDs. So you get more images with it, okay? That's $20. That's still a steal. And then you got the premium pro marketer bundle design. So you got everything that you need for $30. Like, you can't beat that right there. Like, this is the guy I would go to start, right? And I'd open a few more and find a few just for backup. But like, this guy's pretty good too, $5. He seems to, yeah, I like his stuff. It's not bad. He's more new. Again, he's only got 21 reviews. So I'd keep him as a backup, but I'd start with this guy. This guy, just in case you're looking, it's MIA Jacob. Again, I haven't used this guy, but you know what? Matter of fact, I got to buy some. So I'm going to buy some of his right now. Okay. I'm going to go through and buy an ebook cover just right now, because I need to get one anyway. So see, $5 plus $2 equals $7. 6 days delivery time. That's another thing you want to be aware of is when you need it. So you got fast delivery for $50 one day. I don't need that. I'm in no rush, not that big of a rush. So I'll just order now. And then what you do is you just you place your order, and then it's going to take you over, and you're just going to fill out what you need and tell them what you need. Okay. So I'm not going to take you through that process, but the whole idea is that you just want to, I'm in the One Funnel Away challenge right now, and we've been talking a lot about the who, not the how. Meaning, if you don't know how to do something, don't try to do it. I could try to learn how to be a graphic designer and make those crazy, beautiful ebooks, but it probably take me a couple of years to learn how to use all the software. And plus, I'm not even that artistic. So it would, even in the end, if I learned all the software, I still would probably be horrible at it, right? So you have to think about the who, not the how. So I don't want to focus on the how, like, how do I do this? I want to focus on who can do that for me. So I'm going to Fiverr to find the who. I'm going to let them do it. I'm going to explain what I want and let them send it back to me. And it comes out amazing. I've done it before. I've got many beautiful images created, ecovers created, and it's going to help the conversions when you're selling things online. Like I said, I'm on the One Funnel Away challenge. It's an amazing challenge. If you don't know about it, I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. It's a 30-day challenge where they teach you everything that you need to know to create profitable sales funnel. And at the end of the 30 days, if you followed along all the way, you're going to have a profitable sales funnel that you can start making money with online. So it's really cool stuff. And we were talking about creating e-covers today. So definitely, if that's what you're looking for, an e-cover, an e-bundle, check out Fiverr. You don't have to check out this guy. I don't know this guy. You saw me buy it from him for the first time. In fact, if I get the image back by the time that I upload this, I'll leave it in here so you can check it out and see what it looks like. But I hope this video helps. I'm going to upload a bunch of new videos here soon. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button with the bell right next to it, so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, okay? If you're interested in finding out what this formula is behind me, I'll also leave a link down below. It's called the Full Funnel Formula, and it's a great way to implement YouTube and funnels to have massive success online. So check that out, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.